Hello, how you doing? I'm your host, Dr. Sonia Johnson. Okay, so we're waiting on some people to join us. I hope you had a wonderful day today. If you want to share this screen, just press the button at the bottom of the screen. Sharing is caring. And if you have a friend that you think would like to hear this message, please tag them. Okay. Well, welcome to the Gorgeous Glow Skin Show. I'm your host, Dr. Sonia Johnson. I'm a board-certified dermatologist and creator of the GRxSystem. I help women who want to have even and clear skin tone with increased confidence. If that's you, you're at the right place. So today we're going to talk about procedures again. And today we're going to talk about hair laser removal systems. So the ones I'm going to talk about are the ones that you find in offices, doctor's offices or spas. And so with that, we're looking at four major types. There's the Alexandrite, the ruby laser, as well as the diode laser and the Nd:YAG. So with the four types, and as you recall in the previous lectures, I talk about various skin tones, and we have the Fitzpatrick 1 through 6. And so hair lasers, especially your Alexandrite, as well as your ruby laser, it takes care of your lighter skin tones, such as Fitzpatrick's 1 to 3. And with that, it does a really good job working on finer hairs. But if you use it on a person with darker skin tones like myself, they can burn. So those lasers are really not indicated to help people who have hair who want to get rid of their unwanted hairs. So again, those lasers are very good lasers. They have shorter wavelengths and they do a really good job for your finer hairs and in really lighter skin tone individuals. So your diode laser has a longer wavelength. It's one of the newer lasers or group of lasers. And it does do a really good job of taking care of, skin types 1 to 3, as well as some darker skin tones such as skin types 4 and 5. And again, because it has longer wavelengths, it actually works faster. It just really moves much faster, so it doesn't take a longer time to get the results you need. And it does a really good job of taking care of the unwanted hairs. Now, as far as your Nd:YAG laser, that's a crystal, and what it does is it's the longest wavelength. Unfortunately, it's a little more painful, and it takes a little more treatments to achieve the same results. However, this laser is really safe in your darker skin tone individuals. So, and because it goes deeper in the skin, the laser can penetrate really deep. It actually does a much better job of getting rid of the hairs permanently. So, it does, like I said, require more treatments. So on average, around 6 treatments to get the desired results. However, it protects the top layer of skin, so dark skin individuals usually doesn't have a burn that can be associated with hair lasers using the Alexandrite or the ruby laser. So the reason why I talked about lasers here is because a lot of women have hair growth on the chin, upper lip, and if they pluck, it leaves discoloration. And as long as the hair is going to keep growing in those areas, they're going to always have discoloration. However, what I've seen is when they have the hair laser removal done and they use a bleaching cream, it's nice. It lightens up the area, that skin, which is usually sort of rough and textured, it becomes soft and supple again. And like I said, the discoloration goes away too. So this is a good reason why we talk about hair laser removal. So it's very safe in the different skin tones. And you have an array of lasers to choose from. Every center you go to, some may have all 4 different types of lasers and some may not. So again, depending on your skin type, you may want to definitely recommend a consultation and to see which laser they have. So if you are the type that burn easily, fair-skinned, blonde, fine hairs, you want to look for a laser that is your Alexandrite or your ruby laser. If you, again, those same skin tones or more Mediterranean descent, then or Asian, again, the diode laser will be good for you. And of course, the darker skin tones, you're looking for the ND-YAG laser. That is safer, and it does a really good job of taking care of those hairs permanently without causing discoloration on your skin. Now again, even light-skinned ethnic individuals will have fine hairs. ND-YAG laser may not do the job, so you may need a diode laser if that's the case. So keep that in mind, and if you have any questions about hair laser removal, please do not hesitate to put your questions in the comment section. Again, if you want to have some products that are really good to use after your laser treatment, sunscreens or a nice moisturizing cream or just hyaluronic acid to hydrate the area, go to gorgeous-skin-now.com. And we have some really neat products there, or you can just go to the website GRxSystem, and you can see the various options for you. And these products are really good for you to use after your hair laser removal to help with any irritation, to help hydrate the skin, and of course to block the sun rays if you're in sunny areas. Now, one product you do not want to use, regardless if it's GRxSystem or any other products, is anything that has an exfoliator in it, such as tretinoin, retin-A, or retinols. None of those products you want to use after hair laser treatment. Any questions? Please do not hesitate to put your questions in the comments section. Again, if you're interested in some free gifts, as well as products that are really good for your skin that last at least 3 to 4 months, that are safe, non-scented, and that are good for procedures such as the hair laser, go to gorgeous-skin-now.com. Have a wonderful evening. Take care.